Welcome to 289 Rue Annie in the charming community of Sainte-Marthe-sur-le-Lac. Priced at just $559,000, this attractive two-story, semi-detached home offers the ideal backdrop for exceptional family living. With 7 well-appointed rooms, 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an additional powder room, this home provides ample space for your family's needs. The open and inviting floor plan allows for comfortable living and entertaining. One of the standout features of this property is its prime location. Nestled in a quiet, family-friendly neighborhood, you'll enjoy the tranquility of this community. What's more, the property backs onto a sprawling green space, ensuring that you have no rear neighbors. This private and serene setting provides the perfect backdrop for relaxation and outdoor activities. Discover a home where you can create lasting memories with your loved ones. With a well-maintained interior and a lot area of 3,529 square feet, this property offers endless possibilities for your family's enjoyment. Don't miss out on the chance to make 289 Rue Annie your new home. Schedule your visit today to experience the exceptional family living that this property has to offer. For inquiries or to book a viewing, please don't hesitate to contact us. Subscribe to our channel for more exclusive property listings and stay up to date with the latest trends in real estate.